Crazy ants invading electrical boxes is a nightmare you do not want to deal with because they can cause serious damage and even short circuits. So, if you notice these tiny invaders swarming around your electrical boxes, first off, keep the area super clean. No crumbs or sticky spots that attract them. Next, seal up any cracks or holes around your electrical panels and wiring entrances because those are like open invitations for ants to move in. You can also use natural deterrents like vinegar or lemon juice sprayed around the outside of the box to keep ants at bay without harmful chemicals. Another tip is to check for moisture issues, since crazy ants love damp places, so fixing leaks or improving ventilation helps a lot. Bait traps work well too. Place them away from the box to lure ants out and reduce their numbers. If you are comfortable, use a vacuum with a narrow nozzle to suck them out without opening the box too much. Remember, do not pour water or any liquid directly into the electrical box, as it is dangerous and can cause short circuits. Lastly, if the problem persists, calling a professional pest control service is worth it. They have the tools and know-how to handle crazy ants safely. One of the biggest mistakes people make with crazy ants invading electrical boxes is ignoring the problem until it gets out of control, which lets the infestation spread and leads to costly repairs. Fix this by inspecting your electrical areas regularly and acting fast at the first sign of ants. Another common issue is using sprays or chemicals inside the electrical box, which can be hazardous and damage wiring. Instead, focus on external prevention and safe removal methods. A third mistake is not addressing moisture problems that attract ants. Even if you get rid of the ants, the damp environment will bring them back, so fix leaks and improve airflow around your electrical panels. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who know how to handle ant infestations and electrical repairs safely. It also helps contractors connect with real clients who need their services, making it easier to get work and build a good reputation.